nangingiyot. Ganon, and then dito yung flash. Ah, grabe.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Good morning, everything! The dog are scared. Good morning, everything family! Hello, guys! Good morning! So, ngayon katatapos ko naligo. And then, naligo ako nung maaga. Usually, I won't take shower. No, just kidding. So, naliligo ako ng maaga dahil magpunta tayo sa Filipino store. Kailangan ko lang bumili ng lumpia wrapper. Kasi, guys, I told you na hindi ko nagustuhan, di ba? Parang hindi ko siya nagustuhan yung lumpia wrapper dahil kasi bata sa dama natin, mamamayan. Anyway, dahil siya parang dry. Pero guys, if you fry it will be nice and crunchy. So right now, let me blow dry my hair. Anyway, usually hindi ako mag-blow dry. Pero this time, lalabas ako. And then, kasi guys, the other day, yung lumabas ako na nakabasa yung buhok ko, alam niyo ba kung anong nangyari? Sumakit yung ulo ko. Lumabas ako sa garage lang, sa garahe namin. And then, sobrang ginaw doon. So, ang nangyayari, basa yung buhok ko, na-feel ko yung ulo ko parang nagta-tight, and then sumakit talaga ulo ko. Sabi ko, tumakbo ako dito sa loob ng bahay, binoblow dry yung buhok ko. So, ngayon, i-blow dry natin kasi lalabas tayo. Anyway, everything family. Every should be. Anyway, so ngayon, ito kasi siya, gusto kong maghanap, hindi ko na ito mahanap sa Walmart kasi nabili ko to sa Walmart. Ang gagawin natin is maghanap tayo online sa Amazon Prime. Tignan natin yung brand, size, and gusto kong marami akong itim na ganito. Bahala ang tingin sa tao pabalik-balik. Yung suot, gusto ko marami akong ganito. And then, bahala na yung tao. Basta kaya ako, pabalik-balik pa rin tayo ng damit. Pasensya nyo ng buhok ko. Bago tayo alis, mag-ano lang ako. Kapag mag-grocery, kakain muna tayo bago tayo alis. Dahil, magutom tayo sa grocery. Oh my God, it's freezing. Oh, we still have things in the car. Baby.
Did you have a bag in the car?
Hello.
That you just said it? And then you don't? Quit.
Okay. What's the camera there?
I don't care about no stinking camera. I don't care about no stinking camera.
Alis tayo, guys. Punta lang tayo sa Filipino store. This is done, right? If you're driving, you told me research and do this, do that. You do that to me. Can you research just that? How much is enhanced license? That's how you type it, okay? How much is enhanced license? Guys, this is what happened, guys. When your husband just sit there, don't drive. There's a guy over there watching.
Let's tell people the first word that about.
Where is my
The
mask?
addition is $30 additional.
Your license
So
is not
your license, whatever it costs, $180, whatever, plus another $30.
He make me in his own. Honey, you make me like your own driver, hon. What?
Get out. Pull over, get out, let me drive.
Yeah. He make makes
put on
me...
a stupidity show. First you say you want to drive, then you put stupidity on it.
And it's for fun.
It's not for fun.
It's for fun. I'm your driver. The driver over there watching. Oh, sir, he makes me so red. Oops. Sir, yeah, I'm his driver. Mom, oh, he makes me his own driver. Who is sir?
Oh no!
My husband is getting annoyed. Oh my god, you're not fun, hon. Honey, I'm truly crying, honey, because I'm your driver. Look at me.
Crying, right?
Look at me. I love you.
Love you too.
I'm
still a pain in the butt.
Look.
There you go. You can't even drive. Forget that.
But you make me your own driver. I'm your driver. They make fun of Kim Kardashian, Han? Because Kim Kardashian have an ugly cry. Yeah, everything family. I'm sorry. I'm so annoying, and I'm annoying my husband, and I love it. I'm really crying. It went to the sideways. And can you just have fun, honey? Have fun, just like what you said all the time. Have fun in life, but you're boring in life. Have fun in life.
There's different ideas of fun.
It's just the two of us. What do you want me to do? Jumping on the road, hopping
There's an idea.
like a rabbit? Seriously, honey. And that makes you happy? I'm hopping on the road.
Oh, guys, pay attention now, guys.
What is the attention now? Pay attention to what? What do they have to pay attention for?
Your reaction when I light a cigarette.
It's me. So he will stay here with you guys. I just need my wallet and I need to shut it off. I will see you later, hon, okay? Okay, I'm done here at the grocery. So now let's go. Get some lumpia. You know what happened, honey? Yummy, stop smoking. Stop smoking. We leave the TV, guys. We just got here and the TV was on the whole time. Darling, what did you do?
Taxi!
Okay. Let's see. Hey, did I get right? Tammy told me to buy silk.
That's the right one.
Okay then. Here, cramer. The cramer for you, sir. And the eggs, sir. Okay, eat. I'll do this. Go eat. Do you put? And this is what I'm going to marinate. Not really marinating this because this is already flavorful, right? Look, this is what I end up buying, guys. It's Hannah Ford, Han. It's not premium, Han.
Is that premium?
No.
Okay.
It's Hannah Ford sweet Italian sausage ground. Because they don't have nothing, guys. No pork, no ground pork, nothing. So ito yung binili ko sa Filipino store. Sakit yan ko, guys. And I got muncher. Ilagay ko to sa ano, freezer and then refrigerator yung isa.
Let's see what same is this.
The last time hindi ko siya dinagyan ng egg kasi sa tingin ko, sabi ko sa isip ko, bakit lagyan pa ng egg na mag-steaman yan?
So, over the past 7 months, what we've done is to say,
May gloves tayo. Hinugasan ko tong gloves guys para sure talaga na malinis. Kasi hindi natin alam, di ba? So yun. So ngayon, kamayin natin si ito. Kaninang umaga ba, umiyak ako. For some reason, hindi ko alam na, hindi nakalimutan ko na kung ano yung iniyakan ko. And nakikita ba ninyo guys, yung panglumpia na beef natin, o na nilagay natin is ano siya, nilagyan natin ng oyster. Nilagyan ko siya ng oyster. First try namin itong gamitin yung sausage na ground. Pork man siya guys, pero sausage. Ayun. Christmassy, Christmassy. And then dito din.
your family and your community, right? And if we do that, we will be successful and we will defeat.
Umupo ako dito ba? Gagawa na tayo ng lumpia Shanghai. And then naamoy ko parang sunog. Ang sausage pala, nagluluto tayo ng sausage, 'di ba? So ito siya. Uy, guys, gagawa tayo ng lumpia, guys. So ngayon, guys, iba na naman yung natin. Iba na naman yung style natin kasi kaya nga sobra, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo sobrang dry o nagkiliki na gid siya, guys. Nagkili-kili. Nagkili-kili na ang liki. Hindi ko matapos ito guys kasi I can't. It's too much aggravating. So much. Put this in the refrigerator and do it tomorrow. Kasi hindi ko kaya talaga. The wrapper is freaking, it's just killing me. It's a good wrapper but it's aggravating and wasting money and kailangan kong bumili. I need to buy wrapper tomorrow sa isang Filipino store guys kasi hindi ko kaya guys. Sobrang nairita ako guys kasi hindi talaga guys natatanggal lahat na yung wrapper every time na mag-rep ako hindi na siya fully nairita. So nasayang lang siya and then ipa-fry ko na lang ito ngayon. This time inano ko siya, dinamihan ko yung oil. Ay, grabe, nairita talaga ako, guys. Nasayang siya, guys. Yung isa natapos ko, pero tinatry ko talagang gamitin kahit ang dami ng butas-butas. Kasi, every time you rip it apart talaga, English talaga, no? Every time na ganunin mo siya, iwa-hiwalay, may butas talaga, talaga siya, mawala-wala talaga, magkabuang-buang ba. Yun, bukas guys, lutuin natin ito. And, aalis kami bukas, and then, wala pa Tommy doesn't look for a thing for requirements tomorrow. What is the requirements? Anyway guys, tapos na kaming kumain. Ang gagawin ko lang is maghanap ako ng... So, hanap tayo ng driver's license. Yung requirements sa driver's license is kailangan nila ng birth certificate. Dito tayo sa bedroom, sa filming room ko. Oh, God. Anyway guys, si Lou pala guys, wala na siya dito sa New York. Naka-move na siya sa Florida. Wala na siya dito. So, kung hindi na niyo siya makikita, kasi andun na siya sa Florida, hopefully, susunod kami mga next, basta hopefully, hindi ko sasabihin kung kailan, pero hopefully, makasusunod kami doon pag matapos na itong kaibiyanan, problema sa kaibiyanan na Pero sa ibang kami, county, malapit sa kaibigan ni Tami. Yun yung plano. So, yun. Pero hopefully doon na malapit-lapit din. Biyahe-biyahe. Makita din natin si Miss Tapia. Iwan ko kung bakit tinawag yung Miss Tapia. Birth certificate. And meron pa ito. Ito yung nakikita ko noon. Itong camera. Yung mga sa elementary sa province. May elementary, diba? Wala kang camera noon. So, ito yung dala-dala ng mga kudaker. Mangingiyot. Ganon. And then dito yung flash. Grabe. Yan siya. What? Got the paper. I don't have the proof of things. So, I guess I have to go to my bank. Yung mata ko, hubag na hubag talaga guys sa kakaano. But anyway guys, i-end ko na tong vlog. I-end ko na. And thank you so much guys for watching. Maaga pa kasi kami bukas. Well, actually, hindi sobrang aga kasi mag-start yung namin. Appointment namin is 11:30. So, 1 hour yung drive. Anyway, Han, let's end the vlog while you're here. Iyan na namin ito, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh my God, it's cold out there, baby. I can feel your, robe, oh. Coldness. We've been playing in the phone whole day, every day.
Yeah, you were playing. Flower fingers.
Flower fingers. Anyway, guys, good night.
Hi, guys.
See you tomorrow, guys.
So, did you win?
I win. The last game is loss ni Modong. Anyway, guys, bye.